This week I'm testing the Citroen C5 Aircross, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the rear seats all move individually, which means I could fit 3 child seats in the back here really nice and easily. Also, we can fit a 182cm passenger in front of a rear-facing child seat. Number 2 is the boot. For a 5-seater small SUV like this, it can really hold all types of strollers and shopping fits in there, and that boot floor dropping down is fantastic. Number 3 is the remote locking and unlocking of the doors here. Just by putting my thumb on the door handle here, it unlocks it and I don't have to fumble around in my bag for the keys. I've really enjoyed driving the C5 Aircross this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.